Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gameplay Classic. In this episode, we will be learning how to log into Pokémon GO using Google. Logging into Pokémon GO with your Google account is simple and quick. First of all, open the Pokémon GO application on your mobile device. Now from the main interface, tap on Returning Player option. On the next page, tap on Sign in with Google. Click the Continue button in the pop-up to get to accounts.google.com website. Here, you can go ahead and enter the email address or phone number associated with your Google account and tap on Next. On the next page, type in your password associated with your Google account and tap on Next again. Now click on the Continue button to sign into Pokémon GO with your Google account and your saved progress will load and you can now continue your Pokémon GO adventure with your Google account. So that's how it's easily done. I hope you found the video helpful. If you did, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Gameplay Classic for more Pokémon GO tips and tricks. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.